Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to set timer in Calm app on your phone. Let's get started. First, open the Calm app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, tap on Discover. From here, you can select your meditation by time. Here you can choose how long you want your sessions to last. You can select minutes or hours depending on your preferences. Now you can choose a song to play while your timer runs. Play offers selecting nature, sounds, music or silence. You can also select what happens when the timer is like fading out the sound or stop completely. Once everything is set, tap start. Your timer will begin and you can relax knowing the app will automatically stop when the time is off. While the timer is running, you can still navigate the app, listens to meditation or play music. Hints, Calm will gently stop the sound or alert you based on your settings. And that's all. Setting a timer in Calm is super simple and helps you focus without worrying about time. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.